Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the based Yoda token. Ticker symbol is Boda. Now this is a very popular meme coin on the Base chain, Coinbase's blockchain. They have a pretty big market cap, pretty big 24-hour trading volume. We're going to go over the information on the based Yoda token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token listed on BaseScan. You can find the chart and the price and all the statistical info on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. Now, if you go to their webpage, basedyoda.com, they have tokenomics, how to buy now button, cross-chain swap, on and off ramp, link to their DEX Tools chart. They have here a Twitter, a Telegram. Basically all the links you could possibly need are going to be on their webpage there. And you can find even more links on DEX Tools. If you click on the DEX Tools button, they're going to give you a link to CoinMarketCap, Bubble Maps link, all sorts of links and info here. Now they have 16,170 holders already, doing very well this project. They have here a total supply and circulating supply of 100 billion tokens. Now, in the past 7 days, this token is up 634%. And in the past 24 hours, it is up 38.88%. Just doing very well across the board. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99 on DEX Tools. They have a couple quick audits here on DEX Tools as well. A quick Intel security audit, GoPlus security audit, and honeypot.is security audit. And there is no issues whatsoever on any of these audits. But keep in mind, it's just quick audits. They're not full audits. They don't go over everything. It does also say 0% buy and sell tax on all of the audits there. They have a 96.2% community trust score out of 52 votes. So that's pretty high as well. And their market cap right now, $3.78 million. Now, this is not a brand new token. It's still a very popular token, but it came out 8 days ago on Uniswap. Just haven't got around to talking about this token yet. They have been promoting themselves with ads on DEX Screener. There's the ads button there, and it says recently advertised on DEX Screener. So they're still, shilling the token out regularly with marketing. They have a 24-hour trading volume today of $711,000. They've had 1,877 transactions just today. They have $314,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to DEX Screener, 99.97% of that total liquidity is locked. And there is a Team Finance button that you can click to verify that. They also have 3 different liquidity providers for Uniswap. And on DEX Screener here, they also have some more audits. Quick Intel, GoPlus security audits, no issues on them. They also have a token sniffer audit where they scored 100 out of 100. So I can't find any red flags whatsoever with this token. So it says, in a blockchain far, far away, hid a meme of epic proportions. Once the biggest meme in Web 2.0, Baby Yoda captured the hearts of people all around the galaxy. But there came a time when darkness infiltrated the meme space, spawning memes that lacked humor and charm, and then the great meme war began. In the battle against the nefarious Darth Gensler and his army of Jeet troopers, a beacon of hope arose as the base chain illuminated the blockchain. With whimsical memes like Brett and Toshi, as well as many friends across the blockchain to join the fight, like Pepe, Andy, and Landwolf, a crucial element was missing. A meme capable of bringing cuteness and the light side of the blockchain to all, countering the malevolence of Darth Gensler and the Jeets. And that's when Boda, Baby Yoda, emerged, igniting the blue flames of the blockchain and spreading cuteness far and wide. Welcome, Based Yoda, to base. May the pumps be with you. So that is what's written on Deck Screener. So according to their base scan, there's 18 decimal places on this token here. They've had a total of 151,553 transactions. Their Telegram you can find at Yoda Based has 770 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over here, so you guys can easily find this project. Their Twitter is at YodaBase, the cutest coin in the meme wars, and they have a link to their webpage and a link to their Telegram right there, and then the contract address is right underneath that. So basically all the links you're going to need are going to be on this Twitter. They have 3,527 followers. They joined in April 2024 on Twitter. Blue verified checkmark, 837 tweets. So if you wanted to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet, would be very fitting, or you could use a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. There is the on and off ramp and bridging sections on their webpage too that you could check out at basedyoda.com if you're not familiar with bridging and all that stuff. So check that out on the webpage. But once you funded your wallet with Base, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then using the contract address you could find right there on that Twitter, you would trade your Base for this token, and you will not have to set slippage because it says 0% buy and sell taxes, but you will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when using Uniswap, so just be aware of that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about Based Yoda? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.